figure that spring just started and we already have mass amounts of rain. Now with that, weird sky today, look. It's very bright up there. But let me show you something. Walking in mud out here. This is my Satsuma orange tree that I thought was dead from the frost we got. Well, it's not. Look. I already have new growth, new leaves coming back in, okay? But before I even get more leaves, this is how good, whatever's going on here. Look, I already have blossoms. If you know about an orange tree, when you start getting these little bulbs, they're blossoms, and after that comes the orange. So I already have these blossoms on my tree in a few places. So that's a little weird. I might have more, look. I might have more fruit before I actually have leaves. Yep. In 3 years in a row, I've had green oranges. Well, I'm wondering if this time maybe they'll be purple. Maybe it'll be a color like that. That'd be pretty. Because that's not normal, my friends. Just like that's not. Peace.